What's up, my Pugnos? Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to go over this high quality USB IF certified, the first 480 megabit per second USB-C to USB-C cable. It's made out of high quality anodized aluminum for the fittings, and then the cable itself is made out of a soft nylon that's going to be durable, that can last a long time. When I'm out and about in my Insta360 or making content here in the studio, I need to have a cable that will be able to output very high transfer speeds, data, and power. This USB 4 cable is 1.2 meter, 80 gigabits a second with up to 120 gigabits video transfer speeds. It can support up to 4K 144 hertz displays and outputs 240 watts to be able to charge your devices at really fast speeds. With that said, the folks at Silkland did provide this USB-C cable to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it, and show you what you get yourself into. I'm really excited to be able to transfer really large files from my hard drive to my computer. Being able to do so, I think, is great because time is of the essence in my world. As you can see here, it's a 1.3 meter or about a 4-foot braided cable. It's adorned here with this anodized aluminum fastenings, copper fittings, as well as this nylon braided cable that's soft to the touch but very durable and being able to last. It's got this nice little cable management tie if you need it. But what I care about most is its ability here to be able to transfer video and audio. It can transfer data. It can charge at 240 watts. And it's a really awesome plug to be able to have in your arsenal. I've got my MacBook Pro M3, plugging it in, it immediately starts charging. It also charges as a very high powered power adapter, allowing you to be able to continue doing what you need to do, transferring data, gaming, production, and whatnot. Okay, demonstrating here the Silkland USB-C cable. I'm at my workstation and I want to move over some data. I also want to charge my device, showing you here the compatibility as well. I have this nice high-speed SD card reader and I want to be able to move it to my high capacity T7 Shield here. And this cable just doesn't cut it, takes forever, it wears out, and the silicone here is starting to pull off. Having something like this from the Silkland is great. I can integrate it here into the hard drive. It's so long that I can have it stretched really far away. Then we can plug it in directly into the Mac Mini. Showing you here it can charge, send data, you name it. I really like that. Here at my workstation, you can see the Shield immediately pops up as an external hard drive. We're also going to be connecting to my high-speed SD card reader. And I've got about 50 gigs worth of footage that I need to move over from today's shoot. Pasting it over here, you can see there's about 52 gigs worth of data that it needs to transfer at the really high speeds. Being able to transfer this from the SD card reader over to my external hard drive is going to allow me to be super productive and move over a lot of data as needed. 50 gigs in 3 minutes is crazy. It is moving so fast. I love how quickly it is, and it's a great cable to be able to integrate into my workflow. You can also use it to connect your iPhone. I've connected my iPhone here. It's got access to all of the different files in my Photos app. You can see here it's starting to import all of the items, moving them over very quickly at high speeds. Nearly completed, taking so little time, 2 minutes left. Moving 52 gigabytes over is amazing. Additionally, you have an option here to use it as another monitor, as it's capable of sending data, audio, and video through. We can plug in my iPad as another screen for my Mac Mini. I've obviously got my 4K monitor. We can use it to extend the display. The iPad now is on the left side of the device, being able to give me a 60 hertz display refresh rate. And if I wanted to, I can turn it in HDR if I'd like. This lets me adjust the ratio if I wanted to, allowing for high dynamic range on both screens, which I think is fun. Most cables in the market here need to be really short, obviously, so that it doesn't lose any of the energy or the power. What's awesome about Silkland is they've more than doubled that length, being able to still output that same up to 80 gigabytes a second or 460 gigabits a second. Transfer speeds are very quick, and I love how long this is, not having to be restricted by the length of my cable when it comes to using this for a video and audio cable, charging cable, transferring for data, you name it. With that said, Silkland did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here, guys, as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.